How to see locked Facebook account profile picture. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, launch any web browser on your device and then type facebook.com on the URL. Press enter. You will reach on the official interface or website of Facebook. Now tap on the search icon at top right corner of the screen and search the locked profile where you want to see the profile picture of. Suppose if this is the profile picture, simply you need to tap on the search bar after you open this profile and then select the pencil-like icon at top right corner of the screen. Once the URL get pasted at the search bar, you need to come across and then here you need to delete www. And after that, type in mbasic. Search for this particular URL. Then this interface opens where you can tap and hold their particular profile picture, then tap download image. After a while, the file will be downloaded and tap the open button. Then you can see here that we have successfully downloaded the profile picture and we are able to see locked Facebook account profile picture. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.